Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna make my first video about my Nissan. Well, the video will be mostly about these keyless remotes. The whole purpose of the remote is to make your life easier. You just walk up to your car, press the button on the handle and the car will unlock and you can open the door. Well, sometimes there's not even a button, you just walk closer to the car detects your key and unlocks the door for you. And the same goes for the boot. There you go. Automatically unlocks it. Same of course goes for the passenger side. There you go. And the same goes for the bonnet. Oh, doesn't work on a bonnet, I suppose. It's so much easier with these keyless remotes because I always thought it's extremely difficult to open the car with the old-fashioned mode. Oh man, that was difficult. To be honest, I never really liked these keyless remotes. The reason we bought this keyless Pulsar is, well, at first we were looking at the base model Pulsar. But on a base model, the center console, well, it wasn't that good looking, I think. And the medium trim model console comes with a satellite navigation, backwards camera, and whatnot. But also, the medium trim Pulsar comes with a keyless remote. But at that time I thought, well, what the heck, just let's go with the medium trim level. And then around 1 year later, surprise, surprise, the insurance costs on these keyless entry cars just skyrocketed. They almost doubled in price. And the reason for that was because they are so easy to steal. In fact, you can go on YouTube and search for keyless entry car being stolen and you'll be surprised. It just takes literally seconds to steal a keyless remote car. Man, it's scary. And actually I remember seeing an interview about half a year ago where a insurance guy was talking about these keyless cars and he pretty much said that it took longer to steal a car back in 1980 or 90 than it is with the modern cars. Well, that's the future right there. So the reason keyless cars are being so easily stolen is because your keyless key always emits a signal that can be detected outside your house, and pretty much what the thieves do is they use a device and copy your signal and use it for themselves. And by using that copied signal, they get in your car and just drive it away. That's pretty much it. So what you can do at home is you can try to block the signal from your key. The first thing you can do at home is keep your keys in a metal container, well, somewhat like this one. But not all metal containers will work because the metal has to have a certain thickness. And this container will be a prime example of why they do and why they don't work. So the thing is that the metal on this side is a bit thinner than on this side for whatever reason. You can see from the inside, it's just a normal container. And the car is locked. So, let's put the keys in the container, close it, and let's start with this side. See? It doesn't unlock. I'm pressing the button, as you can hear. Nothing happens. And now, let's try with this side. It unlocks. So if you want to use a metal container like this one to block your key's signal, before make sure it has the right thickness. And the second thing you can use to block your key's signal is to use these little, whatever they're called, bags. I got this from eBay for about, I don't know, €2.50, €3, something like that. And the sole purpose of this bag is to block any outgoing or incoming signals. So therefore they also work for the keyless remote. Now let's try and see what it does. So when you open it up, can see that there are two pockets inside. One is like that, and the other one is like this, and I suppose the key needs to go in there. I don't know, haven't tried it yet. Okay, car is unlocked. There, locked now. Let's put the key inside there. Close it. Car is locked. Now let's see. Oh, that actually works. Nice. Oh, I should try the other pocket. Let's see if that works. Aha. So, I suppose this, it's brown, grayish material is the thing that prevents the signal to go out. Cool. And now let's see if we can start the car up. Well, the key is inside the bag. I think it shouldn't start. Let's see. So, oh, nothing happens. What does it say? Key ID incorrect. Okay, let's take it out. Difficult to do it with one hand. There you go. So these are the two things you can do at home that will make your keyless entry car just a little bit safer. Now, if you really have the money for it and you really want to make your keyless car a lot more safer, what you can do is install additional alarm system or some secret immobilizer switches. Now, these may cost a lot more, but they also might reduce your insurance costs. I'm not sure about this, but for more information you should probably contact your insurance guy. So, I guess that's gonna be it for today. If you guys think this video was useful for you, then please give it a thumbs up and or subscribe, and see you in my next video.